Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a new play area for your PlayStation VR 2 headset. So let's go ahead and jump into the video right now. So it's very easy to set up and adjust your play area. Press the PlayStation button and go to the quick settings for the PlayStation VR 2 headset, located on the activity bar. So let's select quick settings. Then if we scroll on down under here, we can go to set play area. Now, hold your PSVR 2 Sense controllers in your hand, and you can choose between stay seated or stand and move around. So I'm going to stay seated. And when you're sitting, the play area tends to be quite small just in your immediate vicinity. So if we go back to the other setting, when we're standing, we will have the options to adjust it. So let's go to stand or move around. And we can go to reset play area or move temporary play area. So let's go to reset play area. And now we have to rescan the room by looking at everything behind us and the ceiling. And you can edit now. So let's go to edit. And if you do have your controller in the hand, you should be able to edit the floor. So to increase the play area, go to the blue section and press the R2 button, and you can move this further out. Or if you want to go ahead and decrease it, go to the negative, the red section, press the R2 button, and you can shrink it. Then go to finish editing, and then you can go to set anyways if it's not large enough. Then look around and you can see your play area behind you. So that is how you can set up and adjust your play area on your PlayStation VR 2 headset. If this video did indeed help you out, go ahead and leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixStudios.